How to use personal injury lawsuit secrets properly. Beginner mistakes that cost you. Personal injury lawsuit tips can be powerful, but most beginners make mistakes that cost time, money, and potential compensation. You won't believe how small missteps affect outcomes. The first mistake is assuming every tip applies to your case. Laws, insurance policies, and damages differ widely. Always confirm relevance before acting. Another common error is skipping documentation. Medical records, photos, and witness statements are essential. Without them, even the best tips won't help your claim. Many users also ignore deadlines. Filing limits and statute of limitations vary by state. Missing a deadline can bar your case entirely. A surprising mistake is undervaluing claims. Tips often emphasize negotiation, but failing to account for future medical costs, lost wages, or emotional damages leads to settlements that fall short. Finally, beginners often avoid professional advice. While tips provide guidance, consulting a qualified attorney ensures your strategy aligns with the law and maximizes results. To properly use personal injury lawsuit secrets, verify relevance, gather documentation, track deadlines, account for all damages, and consult professionals. Following these steps increases your chances of a successful outcome and prevents costly mistakes.